Hi, it's Hayden here at Blackpool Seat, showing you around the Seat Cupra 290 that we have in stock. So this is a base 290, the Cupra R highlights in and around the car. Previous owner has done a bit to it, as you can see. It's got a splitter at the front. So copper logos in and around the car, centre caps. So walking around the car, I'll show you every alloy to give you an idea of their condition. This car's a 19 plate, sat on around 23,000 miles. I'll confirm that when I sit in the video and sit in the car. It's got MAXTON designs, diffuser, more bronze badges on the back. Also on the spoiler, got MAXTON designs, spoiler extension. So exterior wise, we can confirm it's had a bit done to it, but it has been done to a very high standard, as you can see. So before I get into the car in more detail, I'll tell you about where this car's for sale at. So it's for sale here at Blackpool Seat, we're part of Cox Motor Group. At the Blackpool site, you'll also find a Blackpool Auto Mart, UK's only superbike store, Honda Superbikes. And across the road, you'll find our flagship dealership, which is Blackpool Honda. And then over in the distance, you've got the body shop clinic, as well as our in-house workshop. So all used cars that we sell, they do go through body shop prep to sort out any little bits, such as alloy wheels, any light scratches, before they go up for sale. And with the workshop, it goes through a Seat approved standard, so it's a 142 point check. Make sure the car's all good for sale. But also part of Cox Motor Group, you'll find sites in Kendal, Southport, Lancaster, and I think we still have one in Wigan, which is the Auto Mart. Yeah, let's get into the car. So I'll show you the interior first, before we take another look at the exterior. So your ISOFIX mounting points on your rear seats, plenty of room in the back. Show you the boot quickly. Got a nice deep boot. Got some netting there if you want to carry any fluids with you. Parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. And the seats do also fold in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of extra room. Onto the driver's side, at the front, it's price board and the reg delete there. The photos, so I'll go on to the infotainment system first. So you've got all your radio sources and all your media sources, the top left. Top middle, you've got your satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free audio, got full link on this car, all your driving data, and if you swipe to the left, you also get your air conditioning, which you can control from your infotainment system. So just below the infotainment system, you'll find the Cupra logo on a button. That's all your different driving modes. So you've got comfort, sport and Cupra, as well as individual, where you can tailor it to your own driving needs. You've also got your auto stop start. You can turn off your park assist, parking sensors even. And then you've also got your traction control. Dual zone climate control. Power outlets down in the centre console. Then you'll find this car has a DSG auto gearbox. Electronic parking brake, as well as your brake hold. Onto the steering wheel, you'll find another bronze copper badge. Find a digital cockpit on this car. So using the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you can alter the display, as well as using these buttons, the two ones at the top. You can change what's shown in the centre of the digital cockpit. Down to the right hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find your light style, and on the driver's door card, you'll find electrically adjustable mirrors, electrical windows, and your child locks. So I'll quickly show you as well, this car does come with ambient lighting, colours are changeable, so the previous owner did set it to purple, so I think sets the car off nicely with a metallic black paintwork. As you can see, it runs through in and around the car, so you've got the purple accents on the infotainment system, as well as the digital cockpit. Oh, before I step out the car, I'll show you this car is sat on 23,434 miles as of today. Stepping out the car, I'd usually end the video here, but we'll have one last look around the exterior. So you've got the bronze copper highlights that you'll find on the Cupra Rose, bronze copper badge, a blacked out Cupra badge on the grille as well. Not sure what brand this splitter is, but it has got a splitter added to the front. Reg plate is 3D. Can't confirm whether that will stay on the car. I don't know the legality between it all. Then round to the rear, one last look. MAXTON Designs spoiler extension, and then you've got a MAXTON Designs diffuser as well. So yeah, that's the car. It's got a full dealership service history. If you'd like to know more information about this vehicle, please contact the sales team on 01253 600 980 or for finance options on this car. We hope to hear from you soon.